Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a cute kitty shake. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page, and we're going to start by drawing the cherry on top of the shake ice cream. And it's just a sort of oval line like that kind of tapers in at the top. And then we're going to draw the stem, which crosses over, and it's a little bit thicker on the top, and then we kind of go back in. And then let's draw a little line where the stem enters the cherry. Okay, now let's do the swirly shake ice cream on top of the cup. So we're going to start over here on the side of the cherry, and we're going to do a curved line in like that. And then on this side of it, we're going to do another curved line like that, but this one we're going to wrap all the way around. So it goes down like this, and then it wraps across. And then we're going to come back up like this, but we're going to stop right there. Then we're going to go back to this side of the cherry, and we're going to draw a curved line that intersects with that line and stops like that. And then on this side, let's do a curved line here. And we're gonna curve it up, and we're gonna stop like that. And then we'll do one more on this side, around, and stop. And then we'll do one here, and stop. Okay, now let's draw the straw coming out of the shake, and this is gonna be a straight line up from this point like this. Let's do another straight line parallel to that one here, up like this. And then we'll curve off the top and curve off the bottom to make an oval there. And let's put some stripes on it. 1, 2. These are slightly curved lines along the straw, like that. Okay, now let's do the shake cup. So starting over here, we're going to do a curved line for the top of the cup. So just follow along. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time to catch up. And then we're going to go down like this, and then on this side down like that. And then let's do a curved line here for the edge of the cup across, keeping it kind of parallel to the top one like that. Now let's do an angled straight line down to the bottom for the side of the cup. So starting right here, I'm going to do a straight line down and then stop right about there. Go to the other side, come in from the edge a little bit, and then another angled straight line down like this. And then let's curve it off at the bottom. And then around. Okay, I'm going to give my cup some lines to sort of give an edge to the cup. So we're gonna do a curved line starting here, around, and then we're gonna do a couple or sort of thin lines to give the cup some shape and personality here like that. And let's do another edge down here, just so it looks more like a cup you'd get at like an ice cream place or something. Okay, now let's do some sprinkles on top of the ice cream or the shake cream. So these are just kind of they're kind of rectangles with sort of curved edges, like little tiny ones, but you can put these anywhere. That. Maybe I'll do one more here. That. Maybe one here. Alright. Okay, now let's do the kitty face. So we're going to start by just doing one of the eyes right here, and that's just a circle. Like that. And then another circle on this side. Like that. And then we'll do a smaller circle inside that circle for the highlight of the eye. And let's color it in black. Okay, now let's do the nose. And this is kind of like an oval shape that kind of dips down a little. And then we'll color that in black like that. Okay, now let's do the kitty muzzle on the face or the mouth. And that's just a smiley face like that down. And then one down like that. And then let's do some whiskers for the kitty like this. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Wow! I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
Alright, I'm going to make my shake a vanilla shake, but you can make yours any color you want or any flavor you want. Coloring around the sprinkles. Alright, let's do the cherry red. We'll do some blue stripes on the straw. For the sprinkles, maybe we make them like a purpley pink. And then for the cup color, maybe we do like a really light pink. And maybe we'll color in the highlights blue like that.
And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.